Folks, let me tell you, if you love coffee, if you crave that perfect barista quality espresso every single morning, but you're tired of spending a fortune at the cafe, then listen up. Today, I've got something that's going to change your mornings forever. This is the Breville Barista Express, the espresso machine that gives you the power of a professional barista right in your own home. And let me tell you, this thing is built to impress. Stainless steel, built-in grinder, 15 bars of pressure. Oh yes, this bad boy delivers a flavor-packed shot of espresso that'll make you say, "Where has this been all my life?" Now, watch this. Freshly ground beans, perfectly tamped, and boom, a smooth, rich crema just like you'd get at your favorite coffee shop. And wait, you want a velvety latte? A frothy cappuccino? You got it. The powerful steam wand gives you that cafe-style microfoam so you can make lattes that'll have your friends thinking you went to barista school. Folks, this is not some cheap, flimsy coffee maker. This is an investment in better mornings, in saving money, and in waking up the right way every single day. And listen, you deserve the best. You deserve to start your day with the best coffee you've ever had. So don't wait. Click the link in the description and grab your very own Breville Barista Express today. And hey, if you love this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that notification bell.